And see, we will, in this whole course we gonna create only console applications. Okay, now the IDE I am using is codeblock. Let me just show you codeblock. This is codeblock IDE. You can download it from codeblock.org. It is also free. Okay, now in this IDE we have to create our first console application. For that we just go to file, new project. Okay, now in this we gonna choose our console application and then hit on go, and we have a language selection box. Just select on C and hit on next. Now set our project title, uh, my first app, and then click on next. Okay, now leave is leave that it is basically it is a option to choose our compiler. Now we have GNU GCC compiler inbuilt with this code block. Okay, so you don't need to make any changes on this, and just click on finish. Okay, it will create our project. Okay, now this is our mm, in projects bar, my first app. This is our application project. Okay, it will inside the workspace, and just click on source and it will generate a main.c file for us. Okay, this is our project. All the code is written by codeblock. I do not write anything, so it will do many of work for us. Okay, now in this video we doesn't have to write anything. I'll gonna explain this. These above two lines were just header file. We can exclude this one and then save it. Okay, now the first line says pound include, means you must include stdio.h, means standard io.h. What it is a library which contain many functions, uh, and we gonna use these functions. Okay, basically stdio.h contain functions for getting input from user or printing output on output console. Okay, now the very next thing, int main and parenthesis. What is this? This is a function. This is called a main function, as its name show, and it's the first function which gonna execute on our C program. And these brackets, uh, by the starting bracket and the ending bracket, all thing between these two brackets was the body of our main function. Uh, and inside the and the program executed line by line, in whatever written in the main function is gonna execute. Okay, now our first line is printf. This is a function written in standard io.h. We are using printf method to printing string hello world. The syntax for using a printf function is very simple. You just write printf and then put brackets, and whatever you write between this is gonna print. But the slash n is used for changing the line. Okay, and then return 0. Every function in C should have to return something, and this function returns int. Int means integer, and we will explain data. This is built-in data type in C, and this line return 0 just returns 0 to the function so that program exited. Okay, now I gonna run this by simply clicking on build. It will build the code for us, and then we are ready to run it by clicking on run button. Okay, this is the output of our program. This is hello world, and then a line change, this hello world come from printf method, and then the slash n changes a line, okay, and then uh, return program return 0, and the program is finished. This ID also shows us the execution time, and then we click any button to exit the console. Okay, now if I put remove the slash n, and I can put anything here. Welcome to C coding, and then save it by hitting Ctrl S, and then you can also use this small button which shows build and run. Okay, now as you see, I remove the slash n tag, so it doesn't put extra line break here, and it change the text also changes to welcome to C coding. That's how the printf method work. Okay, you can put slash n. Okay, now just make this program, make these code, uh, and try first thing you need to do, just download the code block, and then create your very first project application, console application, and then just try printf method, and use your creativity to do more. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.